Welcome to English Trail.
Do you want to make plans in English, but you don't know what to say?
Or someone calls you, and your mind suddenly goes blank.
Today we practice both. Welcome to Day 18. Hello everyone, I'm Sophie.
And I'm Ryan.
This is Day 18 of our 30-day English Fluency Challenge.
Today's topic is very useful for everyone.
We will learn how to make plans, give suggestions, talk on the phone.
We have 6 clear parts.
Part 1, making plans. Part 2, giving suggestions. Part 3, accepting and saying no politely. Part 4, talking on the phone. Part 5, strong, useful phrases. Part 6, quick practice.
Simple English, easy words, real conversations. Let's begin.
Ryan, are you free this weekend?
Yes, I'm free on Saturday.
Do you want to do something together?
Sure. What do you have in mind?
Maybe we can go to a cafe or we can take a short walk.
Both sound nice. Which one do you prefer?
Let's go to a cafe. We can talk and relax.
Good idea. What time?
How about 4 o'clock?
4 o'clock is perfect. Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the cafe near the park.
Okay. See you on Saturday at 4.
See you then.
Useful sentences.
Are you free this weekend? Do you want to do something together? Maybe we can go to a cafe. How about 4 o'clock? Let's meet at... See you then.
Sophie, I feel a little bored today. What should I do?
Why don't you go for a walk? Or you could read a book.
Walking sounds good.
You can also listen to music while walking.
That's a nice idea. Thank you.
You're welcome. Sometimes small suggestions help a lot.
Yes, let me try another one. I want to improve my English. What do you suggest?
You should practice every day. You could also watch short videos and repeat the sentences.
That's helpful. I'll try that.
Suggestion phrases.
Why don't you? You could. You should. How about? That's a good idea.
Ryan, do you want to come to my place for dinner tomorrow?
That's very kind of you. I would love to, but I'm busy tomorrow.
No problem. Maybe another day.
Yes. How about this weekend?
This weekend works for me.
Great.
Now let's practice saying yes.
Would you like to watch a movie with me?
Yes, I would love to. That sounds great.
Polite ways to answer?
I would love to. That sounds great. I'm sorry, but I'm busy. Maybe another day. How about instead?
Now let's practice a simple phone call.
Okay, you call me.
Ringing sound. Hello?
Hello, Ryan. This is Sophie.
Hi, Sophie. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Are you free on Sunday?
Yes, I think so. Why?
I wanted to ask if you'd like to meet for coffee.
Sure. What time?
How about 11 in the morning?
11 is fine. Where should we meet?
At the usual cafe.
Perfect. See you on Sunday.
See you. Bye.
Bye.
Phone phrases.
Hello, this is... Are you free on... I wanted to ask if... What time? Where should we meet? See you then. Bye.
Let's practice strong and useful phrases. Repeat after us.
Are you free this weekend?
Do you want to do something together?
How about 4 o'clock?
That sounds great.
I would love to.
I'm sorry, but I'm busy.
Why don't you try this?
You should practice every day.
Hello, this is Sophie.
Are you free on Sunday?
See you then.
Take care.
Now answer these questions out loud.
1. Are you free this weekend?
2. Do you want to do something together?
3. How about meeting at 4 o'clock?
4. Would you like to have coffee with me?
5. What time should we meet?
Speak slowly and clearly. It's okay if you make small mistakes. Just speak.
Today we finished 6 parts.
Part 1, making plans. Part 2, giving suggestions. Part 3, accepting and saying no politely. Part 4, talking on the phone. Part 5, strong useful phrases. Part 6, quick practice.
These sentences are very useful in real life. You can use them with friends, classmates, or colleagues.
Practice them again later today.
You reached Day 18. Well done.
See you tomorrow for Day 19.
Keep practicing, keep speaking.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.